Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to do an Aurora Borealis look for quite a long time. I never really had any idea how to create it. So I followed a tutorial by the channel called Bumzagana. I followed their video and I thought it was really cool because they use neon reactive pigments, and you know, those are my favorite. And I thought it would be perfect because my hair is green and purple right now, so it matches the whole theme of Northern Lights perfectly. I also got inspiration from Zoran Blitz over on Instagram. That's actually what inspired me to create this look at all today, because I was just like, well, my hair matches it. This is really pretty. I haven't done makeup in a long time because I've been in a very sad little funk that I've been trying to get out of very badly, and I think we did that today. I'm very proud with how this look came out, so if you want to know how I created it today, then keep on watching. My eyebrows, they're cousins. So I haven't filmed in a very long time. My mental health has not been the best. My life's not been the best. So we're going to just create this look today, get it done so I can have some content up and hopefully get out of this sad funk I'm in right now. So we are going to be taking inspiration today from a video that I found on YouTube by a creator called Bumzagana. I'm not sure if they make videos anymore, but their Northern Lights Aurora Borealis look was very beautiful to me because it was black light reactive, so I'm going to be following them by using my Makeup Murder neon poison pigments. So yeah, we're just going to try to recreate that today, try to just get out of this sad funk and just feel good about life. So to start out, I'm going to prime my skin with my Benefit Professional Primer. Alright, my skin is all primed. Now I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm just going to apply a very light layer of my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick today. And I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M439 brush. So in the video I watched, I'm pretty sure she added a white jumbo eye pencil to her forehead where she added all of the Northern Lights. I'm going to do that too, but instead of a jumbo eye pencil, I'm going to just use my white BH Cosmetics concealer. And I'm going to blend this out with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes, nose, and chin with my ColourPop No Filter concealer. Again, going to blend this out with my M173 brush. Before I set my face, I'm just going to prime my eyes really fast with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05 and my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face aside from my forehead with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now with a M433 brush and the Makeup Murder Neon Green Poison Pigment, I'm going to begin mapping out where I want the Northern Lights to be on my forehead. Now I'm going to take a M456 brush with the blue Neon Makeup Murder Poison Pigment and put that around all of the green. Now I'm going to take another M433 brush and the purple Neon Makeup Murder Poison Pigment and put that in all these clear spots right here between the blue and the green. Now on a M124 brush, I'm going to take the shade Blackout by Urban Decay and just run that right underneath the green where it meets the purple. Okay, now I'm going to dip into the Morphe 39S palette and I'm going to pick up the darkest purple that's in the second to last row towards the middle. I don't have the paper with me, so I don't know the name of it. It might be Great Minds, I'm not that sure. I'm going to pick this up on a Morphe M431 brush and just run that in with the black and blend that into the other purple. Okay, so I'm super happy with the depth of everything. Now I'm going to go in and add the actual little northern lights using a M250-1 brush and my BH Cosmetics white concealer. First, I'm going to trace around all of the green and just do like one line, and then I'm going to go in either with this same brush or a M410 brush and add all the spiky light streaks. I'm going to go in and try that 410 brush to see how I like it. Now I'm going to go in with that small detailing brush and just add in a little bit more of the light spikes just to make it like layered. Now using Flashback from the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to go in and set all the white that we just created with the BH Cosmetics White Concealer. I'm going to go back in with the black and just darken that up one last time. Now with that same white concealer and a nail dotting tool, I'm going to go into all the dark areas and add some stars. I'm very happy with this. Now I'm going to start on the eyes. I'm going to do the eyes fairly similar to the forehead, kinda, not really. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to put white on my lid and my waterline, and I'm going to blend that in with the green and end it with some black over here and join them together. Maybe put some purple on my contour as well. Not sure, I got big plans. First I'm going to take that blue neon pigment and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take the green and put that in the inner corner of my crease, right in this little area. And now I'm going to put the purple right on the outer corner and attach it over here. Now I'm going to take the blue and add it right here, just so the two blues meet. You know what, I'm just going to cover this whole area with blue and the same with the green. I'm just going to drag them upwards. Now I'm going to add the darker purple in the outer corner of my crease and over here just to blend them together. Now I'm going to take some black and darken up the outer corner even more. Now with a Morphe M421 brush and that same white concealer, I'm going to cut the crease. Now I'm going to set this with Flashback. I'm going to take the blue pigment and blend this in with the black. Now I'm going to go back with that dotting tool and add some stars in this blue and purple area. Alright, I finished off the eyes and I popped on some lashes. I'm super happy with them. I think they're really pretty and I love these lashes too. They just add a nice whimsical little oomph to everything. Now I'm going to contour my face using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. For blush, I'm going to go in with my usual ColourPop Super Shock blush in the shade Holiday on my Morphe M405 brush. Now let's zoom you in so we can finish off the lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to keep this fairly simple. I'm going to add white to my waterline, so I want to make it just nice and light on the bottom, so I'm just going to put some green there and decide if I'm going to add other colors later. I'm not sure yet, but for right now I just want there to be some green. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with the blue and then the purple right afterwards. Alright, now I'm going to put white in my waterline using that small detailing brush and the same concealer from earlier. I'm going to put this on my lower lashes as well. For highlight, I'm going to dip into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette and use Jawbreaker. I'm going to pick this up on my Morphe M501 brush. while this is pretty, it could be a little brighter, so I'm actually going to layer on top of that some of Ranch from the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. There we go. I'm going to put a mixture of those in my inner corner, on my nose, on my Cupid's bow, and actually a little bit inside of the Northern Lights as well. For lips, I'm first going to line them with a mixture of Acai and Seattle by NYX, and then I'm going to fill them in with either a black liquid lipstick or I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star. I'm not really sure yet. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!